Hey team, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. If you're new to my channel, thank you guys so much for tuning in as well. Make sure you smash that subscribe button before you go. Also follow my other social media pages at Coach Aaliyah. It will be down below. And yeah, make sure you're sharing this video, thumbs up, comment down below on what you want to see. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure you helping me get there. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this wash and go using the shingling method, using one product again, and guess who it's by? Cantu. So we're gonna be using this product, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you want to see it, stay tuned to the next clip. So guys, as you can see, I already have my hair sectioned off in sections. I have 3 sections, so 1, 2, and then this section. And then I'm gonna, like, of course, split this up a little bit more. And I have my water bottle. I already washed my hair off camera. This is fresh washed hair. And I'm going to be using the Cantu Shea Butter Strengthening Styling Gel with black castor oil. It has no alcohol, crunch, or flakes, or itching. But this is what it looked like. So this is the gel, and it says maximum hold. So I seen some reviews on it, and I hope it is like really maximum hold. I just really hope it worked good. I hope that it moisturized my hair, because my hair, like, I normally have to use like really thick creams and stuff. So we gonna see how this turned out, and I'ma just be quiet and just go ahead and, like, you know, show you. Oh, well, before I be quiet, I'm not using like any like products to pair with it. I'm not pairing anything with it. I'ma just use this by itself because I want to get like a true test. I want to get like a true test and see like what these hitting on. So, but it does say that you could pair it with like other Cantu creams and stuff, and you shouldn't like get any flakes. So I'm just spraying my hair with my water bottle, and I think I'm gonna use the shingling method because I'm a little nervous. And like I said, I watched reviews on it, and it says a maximum hold, but with the reviews that I seen, it wasn't, they were saying like they wasn't getting like maximum hold. So I'm gonna just use the shingling method to be on the safe side. So I'm just taking a nice size. My hair's detangled, so I'm just finger raking through, and I'm gonna just take small little pieces of hair, and I'm gonna smooth and kind of like coil a little bit throughout the whole head. This is what the back is like. This is what the back look like. So guys, I'm done with my whole head, and I think I did pretty good. I think you can get about 3 uses out of this because I used it once before and I didn't shingle and I hated how it turned out. So it was like a little over half left, and then I have, ooh, well, you can't really see it. I have about this much left. About this much, so I can probably get like 1 more full use out of it, or maybe like, I think I can get 1 more full use out of it. But I shingled my whole head. I ain't gonna lie, at the top, so the top of my hair is like, my curl pattern is looser than it is in the back, so it's a little bit more frizz up here. It's a little bit more frizz up here. Now I probably could have did a better job if I would have, like, I don't know, probably like soaked it and used like tons of product. But overall, I think I did a good job. I want to see how it dries. My hair is defined again at the top. It does have like more frizz, but overall I liked it. It smelled good. It doesn't feel like it's going to be drying into the hair, but you all know how that goes. I pray that I don't get any like flaking, because I would hate to have to been here, sit here and done all this to my head and have to wash my hair because of the flakes. If you natural, then you know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna let this air dry, and yeah, when it dry, I'll come back on camera and show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. My hair is about 75% dry. It's not all the way dry yet. As you can see, I am getting some a little shrinkage, but that's okay. So overall, I do like the gel. So far, I don't have any flaking. It looks like it's drying really well. I am going to have some shrinkage. It looks like it do have some hold, and it smells good. It is a little crunch, like the bottom of my hair, like the back of my hair is dry, so it does feel like I'm gonna have to use coconut oil to like scrunch the crunch out, but that's not a big deal. Overall, again, I like the gel. It was the Cantu styling gel with Jamaican black castor oil. I would recommend the product. I didn't pair it with anything. I used it by itself. Honestly, I was scared to pair it with something like a cream or something because I felt like it was going to flake. So far I don't have any flakes. We're going to pray that I can continue with the no flake journey. And with all that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you smash that subscribe button before you go. Thumbs up the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.